When
Those
they come on, it's
are
like,
sexy.
thank you. You are so lucky I showered today.
No, because being French, I don't want you to shower.
I love the mask.
Better when it's
yes.
just nasty and stinky.
This is not disgusting, this is lunch.
Speaking of lunch, who's starving?
Hey, that's a segue into the
Do you
name
like
of our
that?
show.
And now, a special presentation of No Good TV at Comic-Con.
Hey, you guys, forget the interview, just listen to us chat.
Pretty much it's there's a lot of anal sex and camel toe and fake leather.
And anal sex with camel toe?
Yeah, oh yeah.
And being
Is
French.
that even possible?
Oh, yeah.
Can
In
you
France
do
it
that?
is. Oh, did anybody notice my nipples?
Safety boy.
Yeah.
Are you actually enjoying Comic-Con?
Oh, I love it. This is my 4th time coming down here.
Seriously?
And, yeah. I really dig
You
it.
are a glutton, aren't you?
I'm a glutton for punishment. But you know, I've actually noticed how huge this has grown even in the last, you know,
So
4 or 5
have
years.
I.
Yes, well, you know, it's that little surgery happened to work out just fine.
Well done.
Yes,
You
yes,
found
yes.
Bobbits.
I got the
then.
Rambo
So-
extension.
It's got the angry teeth on the bottom.
It comes with a pump, you know, like an armpit pump.
Ew.
So these two went out. They went outraged last night.
We did.
Yeah.
We actually, we've decided to bring our own vitamin water with us to Comic-Con.
Oh yes.
Oh yes.
I figure that's
Oh,
the best
yes.
way to make it through the day.
Yeah.
Yes.
Potato vitamins.
Yes. That is
Once 1 o'clock
exactly
rolls around, I'm like, yeah, you're right, I need it. No one said it. Oh, well, fuck you.
Well, since you've been through Comic-Con 4 times, have you found a way to get through it easily?
Well, yeah, you just gotta butter your shoulders because all the other hips in the room are buttered, so you know you can slide through really quickly.
Whee!
It's like slick legging.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
You know the old slick leg?
Oh yeah, man. Hey, come on in, look.
Who the fuck is that guy? I've
Who's
never
this?
seen him before in my life.
Get over here.
Get the fuck over
Get over
here,
here,
dive
jump in
bomb. Dive
Yeah.
bomb. Hi, Heavy. Mwah.
Brother.
Hey, man,
Good to see you again.
Get your tushy in here.
Oh yeah, what's up, baby?
NGTV.
Where the fuck were you?
I was partying all night with
Yes, so
the
were
girl.
we, and we still managed to make it to the fucking interview.
They were at the same party.
Yeah.
Which one,
Comic-Con?
Rafficon?
Yeah. That's
Then
it.
I had a little private after party later in my room.
Oh.
Only the cool kids?
Only one girl, really. 2 girls.
Then what kind of party is this?
Well, no, there were plenty of transvestites, but we don't consider them necessarily exactly girls. I saw you with a Hello Kitty
Oh,
last night.
bitch. Hell yeah.
You guys
were
have
like,
all
I'm gonna
seen
eat
that
this
movie,
pussy.
right? If Hello Kitty is at Comic-Con,
Slave Hello
Comic-Con is over. I have to say.
Dude, Hello Kitty's the ultimate in Japanimation.
Dude, it's been around forever.
Like my grandmother had Hello Kitty.
That's what put Japan on the map. I mean, you know, first it was Hiroshima, Nagasaki, and then Hello Kitty. If it wasn't for
In that
Hello Kitty,
order.
everybody
In
would have
that
forgot
order,
that country even existed.
And Asahi. Yes.
Of course.
Oh, especially the beer vending machines on the streets
Yes.
there.
And you can get dirty underwear in a vending machine in Japan
With,
too.
with a vial of pee.
Yeah, and
Oh, I
chewed
didn't know
gum.
it came with
Oh
pee.
yeah, you get the underwear and then you can pour the pee on the underwear and smell it.
You get chewed up gum and shit.
Yeah, that's
like
what
Wow.
yeah,
Japan.
they're sick over there.
I gotta go there.
Yeah, they're sick. Oh, like I didn't know. I hated it.
I was only window shopping. It was just window shopping.
perusing.
Is there gonna be an episode of Starving where you guys just go visit Japan for no apparent reason?
We talked about Thailand. I told them earlier before we started the interview about the Asian bush story where you hook up with the hot Asian and you pull down her panties and a huge bush comes out, you climb through and end up in Vietnam.
Which has actually happened in real life. I swear to God.
Was it a deal breaker or you just go? You
It was a deal breaker.
It was?
I didn't really end up in Vietnam, but it was so bushy. I was just like, oh my God, there's no way I can go there.
Or you end up in her ass. Either way, it's really funny.
That's where you come out of. It's called the spider hole. He was and he's the tunnel rat. I don't know where to go with that. What? You go down.
Oh, by the way, was it Alexis Arquette that you always told me had the huge?
Yes, 9-incher.
Did you hear what just
Like
happened?
9 inches
Why do
left.
you
He
know
didn't
that?
get it removed.
He
officially got it
officially
removed.
got it removed.
They need to put that thing in a Hall of Fame.
He was on Larry King tonight, brother.
You know, or if they just threw it in the ocean, that thing would come back to life and it would just like it would
Except
go
they
and
don't
haunt
just
the ocean.
crawl
It would haunt
off.
the
I mean, what a
seas.
waste of a giant cock.
What a waste of a giant
I
cock.
mean, if I was rolling with 9 inches, I would never
See,
cut that
he,
thing off.
that- he never should have stopped hanging out with me. I was his voice of sanity and
You
reason.
kept him male?
I was there when he cock slapped Ray Don Chong in the Philippines. It was amazing. Yeah, he did it from like 2 feet away. It was. Whoa,
I
man.
take this off. What am my eyes look like?
You good?
All right.
You golden?
Okay.
You worried?
A little bit.
This
Yo,
is no
that-
good
but look,
TV,
look.
by the way.
I know.
Yeah, look, he never takes his shades off, so you don't you have nothing to
Fuck you,
worry.
put
Yeah,
them back on.
exactly.
Well deserved.
And the French, you and the French,
Well deserved.
And
especially the
apparently
French.
you are also well hung.
Well hung?
Yes.
Yes, I am.
All right.
For a little man. Yes, I am.
That's why he is well hung.
Is that
Well, because it
'cause
just
it-
naturally looks bigger.
Exactly.
course.
Relatively speaking.
Yeah,
I'm well hung.
relatively speaking.
My hands are tiny, and he looks huge.
Yeah. Wait till you see him. Oh, I'm just saying.
We're
Yes.
gonna film that later.
Starving, our
Anal
show
plug
for Sony just came out today, right?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Please buy it. Amazon.com.
No,
available now.
no, you're on no good TV.
You better fucking buy
tell
that
them.
Buy
shit,
that
bitches.
motherfucker.
Starving. Amazon.com.
.com.
Fuck you.
'Cause we are no fucking good.
That's
Yeah,
right.
you are. Wait, they're scratching sniff. Ooh, it smells like cum.
We love you. See you next time.
The Gilbert episode when I had to like strip down and run and jump in a pool and shit on my ass. That to
I
me
remember
was like,
that
I was
fondly.
like, that was like the one of the lowest ones. That was worse than being in a meth lab naked.
It really just made me hungry for Nutella.
Ooh, well, that's what it was.
Good.
Yeah,
Good.
yeah, that's exactly what we used, just so in case anybody was hungry, they could just eat it off my ass.
And of course, that's just what you're telling everyone, because really you just actually had an accident and.
Just some hot
Yeah.
Well,
ones.
yes, I did. Yeah,
Yeah.
yes, I did. I crapped myself.
Yes, you did. And it hurt, didn't it?
Well, yeah, because
was a lot.
I ate a lot of jalapenos the night before.
Oh,
Yes.
ow.
Spicy meatball.
Yeah, spicy meatball. Yeah.
Who's your daddy?
It's no good.